Okay, so we have our first screen ready. Now let's create two more screens. So let's zoom out a little bit. And then you're going to go to your window menu and go to artboards. And it will open a panel like this. So you can see that you have your first artboard, which is this. Have your first artboard ready. So every screen that you create is going to be a different artboard. So let's create our second artboard. We can create a new one here, or we can actually duplicate this one. So here on the artboards, you can, in the menu, you can select duplicate artboards. So whatever you have selected here is going to duplicate it. Let's do that, and boom, we have just duplicated that artboard. But this artboard obviously wanted to be different, so let's double click here and let's change this image. Let's delete this one, and file, place. We're still in the image folder, so let's go to intro 2. Perfect. Let's place this image, and damn, that looks good. Looks nice, right in the middle. I like this one to be in the middle, but remember that the other one we changed the opacity, so let's just change the opacity to 70. It's a little bit darker, and the text is going to be contrasting. Perfect. So now let's change the quote. You can put whatever quote you want. I really like a quote by Audrey Hepburn. This such a classy lady, you know. So her quote is, "Fashions fade, style is eternal." Whoa, I really like that quote. I really like it. So Audrey Hepburn. And now it's perfect. So swanky's aligned, your buttons are aligned, everything's, but what changes is the background and the quote, which is gonna create a really cool effect. So we have this, we have our second artboard. Let's duplicate this one too. So we go to the window and duplicate artboard. We have our third one, and let's do the same. Double click here, delete this one, and then let's go to file, place, and let's select the third option. So intro 3. Again, you can place whatever image you want, or you can use the assets. So intro 3, we have this photo. Oh, this one is not perfect, so we want to move it around. So there you go. So we make it a little bit bigger, and probably move this girl around here. Let's not put her in the center. Let's put her a little bit to the right. I like that. I don't know why. I don't know. It's just it makes it a little bit more mysterious, you know. It's not right there in the middle. It's just like she's thinking something. I like that. So that's it. We double click outside. That way we get out of the group, and there it is. Ooh, we forgot something. We forgot the opacity. So let's double click again. Let's click this and see why it was important. So let's make it 70. And now you can actually read this. Before it was just like too white, and you cannot read this. So here, let's I really like another quote. This quote is not as good as the other ones. This is a funny one. Let's just get a little bit raunchy. Obviously you don't want to use this quote, which is, "Beauty is in the eye of the beholder." So the original quote is in the eye of the beholder, but let's say it's the eye of the beholder, and this is by Anonymous. Perfect. We have our first 3 screens, which is awesome. This is the intro, you know, the welcoming screens that we're gonna use. Next up, we're gonna do the sign up, which is pretty cool. Congratulations, you have your first 3 screens, and you have a logo and you have images. This is looking really good.